Looks like June got a hold of our family plan calendar. She checked off all the boxes. It's Friday, which usually means
Friday, gotta get down Friday. Everybody's something
man,
for the
weekend. Yeah.
That's all I know.
Yeah. Friday's like sort of a day that Brooke and I kind of both work, depending on what we have going on. So I've been down in the basement working. She's been taking some photos for some things. But today, and then June is with Brooke's mom doing a fun activity for her birthday.
The butterfly house.
And Sunny's just chilling. But today we get to meet our new niece Goldie, because Brooke's brother, his wife, had a baby. And they live next door. They literally live right next door. So we're gonna go over there and meet Goldie.
Are you ready to meet your cousin? You're not the baby anymore.
Dark hole.
The deep dark hole of Gray's room.
Yeah. Hi, Sunny.
That knot is just enormous on her head.
No.
I mean, it fits her, but like...
Yeah.
It still is.
That is crazy.
She's finally here.
I know, right?
That's how I feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. She may have a poop in her pants, but...
Definitely has a poop in her pants.
And by maybe, we mean definitely,
And
but
then
it's...
you're like, today. And,
Be gentle.
Sunny, do you see the baby?
Be gentle. That means she wants to touch. What she's like. What do you see? You see the baby? You may touch. Yeah? Okay. Gentle. Yeah. It's Saturday afternoon, and I am thrifting all by myself, which I love. I just stopped at one place. I stopped at the Goodwill in the town next to us and got 4 of these super cute little plastic teacups for June's tea set. They were 97 cents. It's really cute pink color. So that's all I found. $4.11. Now I'm headed off to one of my favorite thrift stores, which has clothing on the bottom and then like a big furniture and houseware section up top. So let's go. Before we had kids, I used to go thrifting all the time, like probably 2 to 3 times a week, and that's how I found some of my favorite pieces and items we have in our home. I don't think thrifting is hard if you have a list and you kind of know what you're hoping to find, but the more frequently you go, the more luck you have. So I don't go very much anymore, but when I get to, I enjoy it so much. So today I'm looking for some Lego pieces for June, possibly a bedspread, a light for the basement, and then I just love all like vintage kids toys and vintage kids linens, like bed sheets, pillowcases, things like that. So hopefully I'll find something.
There are pictures right here. Yeah,
this is beautiful. And it's in such good shape. I already have one. I had one in June's nursery, but 40 bucks, y'all. Here's another one. A blonde bentwood rocker. Ah, $20. So cute. I have no use for these, but they are so cute. Guys, somebody come buy these. Alright, that was quasi-successful. Didn't find the bedspread or the Legos, Although I'm not totally surprised. They had 2 beautiful queen bedspreads, but I need a twin. I did find 2 little area rugs. One, it's kind of hard to see in the car. One's like this plushy peach color, and then one's just plain white. We have all hardwood floors in our house. Like, we don't have any carpet anywhere, which I love, except 2 of the rooms, our living room and June's room, the floors are unfinished because when we moved in, we ripped carpet out. So they desperately need re-sanded and finished, and they're like not super safe to be on. So I'm thinking 1 rug will go by June's bed where the floor is a little messed up, and then maybe 1 rug will go inside the front door. Because with Sunny crawling around on it, I don't know, it kind of bums me out. And then, this is exciting, I found a new PC for $9.99, an entire set of gold flatware. Gold silverware? Does silver imply that it's silver? Probably. Anyway, super excited about this. They seem like they're like so much heavier than the set I have at home already. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like a ladle in there that's a really cool shape, and then this like serving spoon that's a cool shape. So, super pumped about these.
Hey guys, happy Monday. Sunny wanted to join me in final thoughts because she's the best. My final thoughts for this episode are to give and receive alone time. So that's one thing that Brooke and I do on our weekly basis. That's why she was thrifting this weekend, is that we make it a priority to give each other alone time. And I actually think it's easier to give it. Like, it's easier for me to say to Brooke, hey, go thrifting and have fun and enjoy yourself. I'm fine with the kids. And sometimes it's harder to receive it because as you're walking out the door, you see a kid tumble or you hear someone crying and you're like, oh, I don't want to leave my spouse with all this extra work, but you can because it's a gift. And no matter how much you love someone and how much you love being around people, we as humans, as individuals, want to be alone at times. And I think it's healthy in a marriage to give and receive that alone time, even also dating as well. You know, like if you're constantly hanging out with the person you're dating with, maybe you should give them a night off or take a night off. Yeah. And, you know, and it's really, Jesus sort of modeled this for us. Jesus spent a lot of time alone. And that's all over scripture. And so this week, maybe try to incorporate that into your life, maybe give and receive some alone time. And I think you'll enjoy it, and I think your marriage and relationship will be better for it. All right? See you.